How's it going, guys? This is Galen here, Autoscope in Plano with our Autoscope Minute. So we have a drive belt coming out of a client's vehicle, and this is part of our safety inspection. We look at the engine components, drive belt and accessories, tensioner to make sure that there's no issues with your drive belt. Because if you lose it, you might lose your water pump, which will make your engine overheat. You might lose your air conditioning, which will make it hot in the car, and you might lose your alternator, which will kill your battery and make the car shut off. So all in all, it's a bad deal. And this one is actually in way worse shape than we initially thought, because on the outside, you can kind of see it's a little wore out and a little tired. There's not a lot of glazing on the top of the belt from belt slip. But you look at the bottom side now, you can see all those cracks forming. And this was maybe, I don't know, it's hard to put a time on something like this, but this would have failed very suddenly, very catastrophically, and left the client stranded. And this is what the new one looks like. It's supposed to be smooth and continuous. Hey, take care of your cars. I'm Galen. Until next time.